Gonna start opening the packs. Eventually we'll get there. Let me know if you want one of the last 5. Fillers aren't moving, but we have to start moving. Who wants the last 5? Kill it for 145. All right, thank you, Gersh. Good to see you. Our hero. What do you mean, Joe? Bowmans doesn't come out till April 26th. We'll probably have breaks in the store a week before that. D-backs are up there. I'm not sure. Gotta start studying. D-backs, Arizona, Drew Jones, the #1 team.
buddy.
You too, man. I'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah, good luck on the screen.
Yeah, I don't know what they're doing with that, Gershon. He doesn't have one. Neither does Yuri Perez. Top 10 prospect in the league doesn't have one. They don't care about the pitchers, I guess. Bowman's best. Thank you, Gershon, for the kill. This is the first half of the case. Take your PYT 20s. That's the second half. We have an auto out of the gate of Pomaris for GS Dash and the Giants. Base rookie of O'Neal Cruz. Termar Johnson, Atomic. Jose Miranda, rookie refractor. Oscar Colas, Speckle, Lewis. Bobby Witt. Next auto is Simon Juan for the Mets. Gersh. That's his first hit. Purple rookie of Vidal Brujan. Seiya Suzuki, rookie refractor. Atomic of Jazz Chisholm. Wander base. Auto of Denzer Guzman. 3 base autos to start. We know the color's lurking. Mike Trout, UFO. Cal Raleigh, rookie refractor. Seattle. Sawinski, rookie refractor. O'Neal Cruz, water. O'Neal Cruz base. Auto of Norge Vera. Where's the color? There's the color. How about a red? Brian Acuna, red. For Cousin Vinny and the Twins. True red. 1 of 10. Team color. Nice hit, Vinny. Love the red. Bobby Witt base. CJ Abrams refractor. Refractor auto of Yerlin Confident. First non-base. Can I put money on the next auto being numbered? Auto of Yankiel. I would lose that bet. Blue of Royce Lewis. Nice rookie blue. Royce Lewis refractor. That's nice. For the Dodgers, UFO auto of Ramos. Love those. Nice, Gersh. What's up, Jude? It's Hawk's little brother. I wonder if I was saying that all day, if I could have tricked anybody. It's Little Hawk.
Is this all just for extra supplies from the show?
He's new. O'Neal refractor. O'Neal. Auto of Yasser. It's a Twins break. Green of Sawinski, refractor of Bruhan. Atomic rookie George Kirby. Auto of Neto. It's a tough hitting this stuff sometimes for the 1. I've been waiting for my call all day, Matt. Never got a call. Been ready to go. Been ready to play. Guess they don't need me. Gold Lava of Samuel Munoz for the Dodgers. Royce Lewis, Alec Thomas, Bobby Witt, refractor auto, Curtis Mead.
Did you print that MC?
All right, well, let me know when Glaber goes in a slump. I'll be here.
He just emailed back. He's good. He's brand new. Scott was a little worried about it, but he seems like
Green for the Brewers of Jackson Chourio. I don't know about that, Jude. I mean, I definitely root for my boy Stanton. But Closet Yankee? I don't know. This year, actually, I might be. I guess that's fair. I got a bunch of Yankees on my fantasy team. Jace Young, Atomic. Blue auto of Harry Ford. Nice hit for Seattle and Vincent.
something about the year. There's always something you're just trying to go golf. Yeah, well, I was away. I noticed it.
It's pretty similar to how you're a closet Marlins fan. There's nothing to be embarrassed about, Jude. Just come out with it. Speckle of Jace. Auto of Guzman. I feel like we're getting too many base autos. Second half's got to be colorful.
Oh, you were away too.
Nice, Vinny.
Is he here now?
Yeah, my mom is too. He's never moved away from home before, so.
And he's older or younger?
Yeah, older. He's 26.
Blaming me, Kato. It's insane.
I'm a lot more.
Duran, rookie Atomic.
Gotta tell him.
Torkelson, another Norge Vera.
You know, pull the younger sister part on.
Atomic Lubab.
You know, he's got to hold those for the good ones, you know?
Wow, Jorge Soler inches away from a 3-run homer.
Depending which game or when the schedule comes out, whatever, maybe we'll all go or something. As you know, we go to a lot of games. So my
Green auto of Zach Neto, second of his for the Angels. Congrats to one.
going to so many during the week games, it's not that bad.
Right, yeah.
But I said I'll probably go to one playoff game guaranteed and then evaluate how far we get. It all depends how far they get to.
We have a lava of Juan Yepes for the Cardinals. Juan De La Cruz. Miranda. Auto of Hendry Mendez for the Brewers. Triantos UFO. Aaron Judge refractor. Soto refractor. Auto of Anthony Gutierrez for the Rangers. Purple of Pete Alonso. And a Wander Franker. A Wander Franker. Wander Franco Global Die Cut Rookie. Who's the breaker? We got a funny group. A very funny group. We had 15 people make this same joke today. What's up, Demo? I'm complimenting you guys. Yeah, Gersh. Yeah, all the insert autos are. Unlike regular Bowman, you actually want to see the insert autos in this stuff, or I do at least. I like the insert autos. If that was the case, I'd have a lot more to go. You know, a whole chest and back shave. Well, yeah, whatever. Wax, shave. Happy Sandy Day.